Hey beauties, it's your girl Tanel, the beautiful bargainista, and I'm back with another easy crochet style which mimics my 4 type hair perfectly. So if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned. Hey beauties, like I said in the beginning, hey sis, hey. But like I said in the beginning, this is an easy crochet style video featuring Outre. This is their expressions, their curlettes. I'm using the small and the 20-inch color 1B. I found this at my local beauty supply store for about $6.99. So this is my curl pattern, nothing special, just small, medium-sized braids going to the back, and then at the ends I crocheted them up so the braids will not hang. So this is what the hair looks like straight out the pack. They are pre-looped curly ringlets that are 20-inch long. Like I said, I got them in the color 1B. So we're just going to go ahead and do the traditional crochet style methods using a crochet hook or needle, whichever one you like to call it. And I'm just simply sliding the needle through, close, open it up, and then I'm going to attach the hair, close the hook, slide it back through, open the pre-loops, slide the hair. You can either do twist it once or just double twist it and then pull through. And you can, watch me as I go along and do this, just a simple traditional crochet. Now for the style that I wanted to choose, I wanted to have bangs. So as you can see, I crocheted the hair in like going into a U shape. So these are the last couple of sections that I am doing crocheting the hair backwards, and then I'm just going to make sure that there are no gaps and the hair is completely filled in. There's no large spacing or anything like that. Now that the hair is filled into my liking, as you can see, I already started crocheting the front part. In this section, I want to start in the front towards my forehead and moves backwards. As you can see, I am crocheting the hair forward, so it's going to give me that bang look right off the back. And we're doing the same method, just simply this doesn't have to be invisible because the curls are going to be so big. That's why this hairstyle is so easy, and it came pre-looped, which made it even easier. Now that the hair is completely installed, took about 20-30 minutes to install the hair, and you're looking like Curly Sue, we're going to go ahead and start separating these curls. You can totally leave it like this, but in the beginning I am only separating once, and I'm just pulling the the strands, and I'm separating where it naturally separates. I'm not forcing it, because the more you try to force the separation, the more frizzy the hair becomes. Now, I will also suggest that you start to separate in the back area, because the more hair you separate, the bigger it gets, and you will lose, or you can lose hair, or you can go cornrow by cornrow. This is what the hair looks like completely separated. As you can see, it looks like a beautiful defined twist out. So now we're going to give it some shape, and I am just simply, as you can see, it's already in a heart shape, but I want to define that a little bit more. So I am just taking the curls and stretching it out and pulling it to that C shape, and then going back and cutting in a downward motion. As you can see, my hands are going downwards. I want a heart shape fro. And just make sure with curly hair you are cutting in a downward angle. Okay, beauties, here is the final look. So let's get into some slow-mo action. I am in love with this hairstyle. Like I said, it mimics my 4 type hair. The curl definition is giving. Its hair is soft and bouncy. So realistic, so natural. People thought this was my hair. The whole style took about an hour, 30 minutes. This is what the back looks like. This hairstyle can last you 4 weeks. If it to use to get frizzy, which you will, just simply go in with some scissors and cut the frizz. If this is your first time joining my channel, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment, and I will see you guys later.